Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share how we built the trellis in our backyard for this summer. From past 2 years, we learned that a good strong trellis is required for 5 to 6 varieties of Indian vegetables. That is like cucumber, bottle gourd, ridge gourd, beans, and so many grape tree. So many trees we need a stronger trellis. So this year we built this one with the help of our neighbors. So let's see how we built this one. We built two trellis in our backyard. Since chickadee plant or beans plant is growing a lot and spreading all over, we decided to have a separate one for it. We can plant the seeds on one side of the trellis, or we can also put the seeds on all four sides. Purchase these wooden frame trellis. Alternatively, we can also use the wires or thread on the top. And also we purchase these wooden pieces of 8 feet for all the four sides as a base. These are all on sale and we can get it for a very less price. And these are the small wooden sticks. We get it from like $1 or $2. We need them at the top to support the trellis frame. We need to mark these 8 foot by 4 feet as the frame size and dig the soil to make the holes to fit these wooden sticks, the four sides. This is the base to trellis, it has to be strong. Dig the holes for at least 2 feet, and after keeping the wooden stick, we need to fill it with the soil and add the water to stick around. In this way, we connected the two wood pieces with another wood piece at the top. With the help of this drilling machine, we made the holes and we connected these two with the nails at the top. In the same way, we connected the other two wood pieces with another wood one. So the frame is looking like this. Need to place all the wooden sticks to connect the two sides. Later we need to nail them. This will act as a support for the trellis. Now we need to place this trellis frame on top on these sticks. With the help of the sticks, it will stand. Now we need to put the nails for this trellis frame to these wooden pieces all over. Also added this existing trellis at the middle to support for the plants while growing. After building these trellis, we decided to put the seeds like cucumber, ridge gourd or bottle gourd on one side of the trellis by giving the space for each type of plant. I am showing an example of this grape plant. We bought this plant from Sam's Club. Later we kept in one pot. Now it is climbing. Since it is already growing, we tied one rope to the plant and connected to the top so that it can grow on the top. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. If this video is helpful, please let us know in the comment section.